Alright, YouTube, I'm hungry. I'll bring you back again to the Bullseye. We got more questions for you. This time, this video is about, will it do like just a regular old cook? I don't want to like grill my food. I'm not looking for low and slow or hot and fast. I want that in-between thing. And I've got to tell you, we're about to find out. And what we're going to cook today, we're going to cook these pork steaks, right? You know, these pork steaks here, really what they are, they're pork shoulder. And they've been sliced. You know, sometimes you can find them a little thicker than this. I like them a little bit thicker. And we're just going to cook them, all right? We're going to see how these turn out. Right now, the good old Bullseye is set for 350 degrees. We're going to put it in there for 10 minutes aside. We're going to pull it out. Once we reach, I like to reach on these about, I don't know, 180, 185, 90, 190 degrees. All right? We're not looking to pull them. These will pull just like pork shoulders. But what we are looking to do is just give it a nice cook, you know? Those are going to be good. They're fatty too, guys. They are really fatty. And fat is good for us. Fat's not bad for us because the fat holds in all of our flavor. And we like flavor. Alright? Well, let's see what she's going to do for us, alright? We're going to close this lid. We're going to give it about 10 minutes, alright? In 10 minutes, we're going to come back and we're going to flip it over. And then we're going to assess how long we have left, right? But right now, we'll be back 10 minutes. We'll see what happens. It's been about 10 minutes. Let's look at what we got cooking over here. Oh my goodness, they look so wonderful. All right, these are just a medium cook. We're going to flip them. Just look at that. Look at those grill marks. This is a medium heat. We're only at 350, guys. This is not, let's just go ahead and kill it. Let's just get it done. We're going to go slow. We're not going to go too slow. We're not going to go too fast. 350 is not a bad temperature. I guess that one over there is a little sticking just a little bit. Look at that. Guys, this is what I'm working with so far. Let that, oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness great. Hold on. Guys, look at that piece of pork, son. Listen, that's 350 degrees. That's cook it slow. Get it done. You know, but not too slow. We're not really smoking our meat. We're not really searing our meat too bad. You know, we're just, it's pork steak. We got to get it cooked all the way through. We're going to take our time. 350 degrees, that's a good temperature. All right, guys, we'll be back. All right, guys, it's been about, I don't know, another 10 minutes or so. Oh, my goodness gracious. Just soak that in. Oh, my gosh, just look at that. Oh, my goodness, son. All right, look. We need to just check these temperatures. They're really thin. That's about 172. This one over here. Oh my goodness. 185. 180. Oh my goodness. That one's 170. Dude, they're done. All right, look. I don't know what to tell you guys. You know, this thing always comes through. Always comes through. All right? I don't think I'll ever get rid of this grill. This will always be my baby. And just look at that. Oh my goodness. Guys, hear that sizzling noise? That's important. That's really important. Because I'm going to point this out. And we're going to do something with that sizzling noise. I'm kind of doing it on purpose. Alright? Now look. This here is still a pellet grill. Alright? And it's like any other grill, really. Your heat source comes from where it comes from. Right? If I look here, that's a damn good grill mark on that side, all right? On this side, you know, I didn't rotate, I didn't change where they sat, is what it is. I'm going to stick this guy over here just for a little bit. We're going to let this start to cool down. All right, guys, we made those pork shoulder steaks. They look real yummy. The wife's already brought them upstairs, but I was going to show you at the end of this video. I decided to make it into its own separate video. All right, so stay tuned. It'll be out soon. You guys have a nice night. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.